Welcome to the College of St. Scholastica. Our main campus is located in Duluth, Minnesota on the shore of Lake Superior. Within minutes of campus, you'll find world-class outdoor recreation, trendy shops and restaurants, and a vibrant arts and theater scene. The College of St. Scholastica was founded in 1912 by a group of pioneering Benedictine sisters. At the heart of St. Scholastica, we are committed to these 5 Benedictine values: community, hospitality, respect, stewardship, and the love of learning. These values are what our saints translate into everyday actions during their time living on our campus and being a part of our community. Incoming first-year students have the option to live in a dorm or a suite in Summers Hall. All housing options come furnished and include sinks in our newly renovated dorm rooms. There are multiple lounge areas where you can relax, spend time with some friends, or study. Laundry is also free for St. Scholastica students. Greenview is our dining hall where many freshman students gather for meals while living on campus. For a quick bite to eat in between classes, we also have a cafe, coffee shop, and grab-and-go options. Getting around campus is quick and easy year-round with our connecting tunnel system. Going from Summers Hall to class, to the library, to the Benedictine Commons is a breeze. St. Scholastica offers a variety of in-demand majors and degree programs to choose from. Small class sizes inspire students to collaborate alongside their professors and more deeply explore the ideas that matter most to them. From academic and financial support to health and career services, St. Scholastica provides the dedicated resources and networks to help students succeed. At St. Scholastica, you'll study hard and play hard. From the hillside campus and your view of Lake Superior, Duluth offers nearby outdoor adventures and unique experiences year-round. Here in the Burns Wellness Commons, you have access to our fitness facilities and campus recreation. Compete in an intramural sports league, try the indoor climbing wall, or cheer on your favorite Saints athletics teams at a home game. Outdoor Pursuit is here to help everyone enjoy northeastern Minnesota's wilderness. From guided adventures to gear rentals, they've got you covered. Student clubs offer opportunities to meet new people who bring diverse perspectives and experiences that will feed your curiosity. Music ensembles and theater and fine arts opportunities develop students' personal ambition and broad perspectives that form the foundations for enriching life and career. The College of St. Scholastica is committed to developing an inclusive community where people from all backgrounds and identities feel respected, valued, and welcomed. A campus visit can be one of the most rewarding experiences in your college search. Schedule yours today at css.edu/visit. We can't wait to see you.